This is my old South Bend engine lathe. I believe it's a 1934. It's a 9-inch lathe. It was sold by Ogden R. Adams in Rochester, New York. Pretty neat little thing. Came with a leather belt. And that thing slipped like crazy. So I put this old serpentine belt on it. And how I did that was, right there I ground the, get that to focus, I ground the belt down some and used Gorilla Glue and glued it together. And that darn thing works pretty good. I've had it on there several months. I'm no expert machinist, so I don't use it all the time, but it seems to hold up fine. Only thing I'm missing to it, I don't have these gears so I can change the feed speed. Wish I knew somebody had some of those. But other than that, the thing works good. That's it for now. See ya.